How easy is it to service the electronic components of the machine?
It's pretty straightforward. Anybody with some electrical background and the right know-how, basically you want to make sure you power down the machine and use all proper safety equipment. But generally, this is a lock top. You flip it up. If you notice on here, every other screw is out. So basically, it's got these clear holes, and you remove this panel right here, and there is the majority. That's the majority of our electronics. And basically, that's our motor controller. Be very careful of it. It contains 300 volts DC. Your output transformer. That's what runs a lot of your controls and stuff. This here is our lock, our door lock controller. And the beauty of this is, if you do have a power outage, it stores enough power to unlock your door after about 15 to 30 seconds. It'll actually unlock the door. Surge protector, and then your main relay board, all connectorized. Very, very basic.